10 words a day for beginners. There. There. There are 2 apples on the table. I want to go there. Use. Use. She still uses drugs. Please use your head. N. N. There is an apple on the table. An elephant is a big animal. Each. Each. Each person brings their own lunch. Each cookie is delicious and freshly baked. Which? Which? Which one is your umbrella? Which color do you want? She. She. She is tall and beautiful. She is my teacher. Do. Do. Do you love me? I want to do something for you. How? How? How are you today? How is the food? There. There. Their house is big. Their dog is old. If. If. If he comes, ask him to wait. If it rains, we will get wet.